Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to Bags in Design by Khembuzz. Guys, if today is your first time watching my YouTube channel, welcome to Khembuzz Designs. I'm Kemi from Lagos, Nigeria. If you're wondering, guys, I'm gonna be making this lovely, beautiful, gorgeous, sweet clutch lace purse. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also don't forget to click on the notification button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you. Material used are, guys, I will make use of this lovely lace. I'll be making use of leatherbird. I'll be making use of this lining. I'll be making use of chipboard. I'll be making use of this lovely lark. Basically, guys, I'll be making use of gold accessory. Guys, just showing you guys how you can open it and also lock it back. I'll be making use of this gold eyelet. I'll be making use of this lovely gum. So guys, this is the measurement for the lovely purse. For the flap, I'll be making use of 4.5. The upper base is 1.5 inches, and the main body, which is the front, which is the back, is 5 inches. The bottom is 1 inch and the front part is 5 inches. Guys, the width of the bag 11 inches. So the weight is 11 inches. So guys, the next thing I'm just gonna be doing right now is to give to give the flap the lovely shape I want it to be. So guys, basically you can use any shape, not necessarily use the same shape that I'm using right now. So I'm just gonna trim that away, just trim the places I don't need, just trim it away, bring out the shape. And after that, I'm just gonna comb my foam to the leather bird. Guys, I'm through applying gum and also the foam. The next thing is to put my fabric, which is the lining. The first thing is to line it. Then after lining it, then I'm just going to take my lace. It's an African print. Yes, sir. And then I'm just going to wrap it on top of the lining. Guys, I'm through with the wrapping of the lining and also the lace material. So guys, the next thing I'm just gonna be doing right now is to take the measurements for the inner part of the bag, which is the lining, the inner part. So the first body is 5, then the bottom you reduce it by 0.1, then the second body is 5, and the upper base you reduce it by 0.1, and also the flap you reduce it a little bit so it can fit in. Guys, the next thing I'm just gonna be doing right now is to wrap, just wrap the lining with um is to wrap the lining with the inner part of the bag. So guys, I'm through wrapping the inner part. The next thing I'm just gonna be doing right now is to take the measurement of where my highlights, it's gonna be. So basically, guys, just take the middle of the upper base, which is 1.5. Take the middle and just take just take the middle of your um basically, guys, just make sure the measurement is at the center. So after that, just take your puncher and then just punch it and make a hole and then fix the okay, right now I'm not gonna be fixing the highlight. I'm just gonna wait for my inner parts to be ready first before I'm gonna be fixing it. So basically, guys, right now I'm taking the corsets, taking the measurements for the corset parts. So guys, please watch this tutorial to the end for better understanding. Guys, this is the corset. This is how it's gonna look like. This is how the corset is gonna look like. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I was able to do, you know this corset. So this is a pure leather, original leather. So I'm gonna be using pure leather and lace fabric together. So for the corset, it's just original leather. Guys, I've already cut it out from using the pattern, so I'm just gonna fold the lining on top of the pure leather, and I'm just gonna stitch the top. I'm just gonna stitch it straight. So now I'm done stitching the top and the two both sides, and so I'm just gonna stitch the bottom aspect, give it a lovely shape. Then after that, after stitching the corset, then I'm just gonna glue it to the main inner part. Then after that, after gluing it, then I'm just gonna do my highlights. So guys, I'm gumming the corset to the inner part of the bag. Like I said earlier, the corset is pure leather. I'm making use of pure leather for the corset. So guys, now I'm just gonna glue it together, which is the flap, the upper base, and the back aspect and the bottom. I'm just gonna glue them together right now. I want to actually punch out the highlight. So after gluing it, I'm just going to use my puncher to punch out the hole where my highlight is going to be from the inner part of this lovely purse. Guys, the next thing is to use my puncture to make a hole to the lining. Guys, you see how lovely it is. I've already done one, so I'm just gonna be doing the second one for you guys to see. And you can also check some of my videos. You'll see where I actually made a video of the highlight. So if you really want a deep understanding, please kindly go and watch the video. Guys, I'm done with the highlights. So basically the next thing I'm just gonna be doing right now is to actually stitch the harp. Then after stitching the top, then I'm just gonna put my back lock. Just gonna put it to the purse. Then after the back lock, I'm just gonna put the bottom back lock. You know, use my hammer to hit it, then just put the next back lock. Guys, please watch out for my next video. My next video, it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be lovely. Please guys, watch out for it. I'll be making a laptop bag with pure leather, so guys, watch out for it. Guys, the main reason I'm putting this leather to the lock is because I don't want it to pull out. I want it to, you know, I want it to last long, and that is why I am putting a leather to the lock. Guys, you know, this bag is already I'm almost through with the bag, so the next thing is just to glue the front part of the bag. And after gluing the front parts, then I'm just gonna stitch everything, like stitch everything together. So guys, this is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys, you know, are able to pick one or two things. Please, you can drop your question under the comment section. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for your support. I love you.